Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the graphics quality in Forza Horizon 6. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, select Graphics and Performance. Then under Presets, you can quickly change the quality from either extreme. I will go from the lowest. From either from very low to medium to high to ultra to extreme to high plus RT to ultra plus RT, extreme plus RT, or custom. Of course, if you want to double a bit, you can set it to. You can customize them further. You can change the level of detail settings, reflection settings, shadow settings, lighting and material settings, performance settings, and miscellaneous settings yourself. There are tooltips that will quite easily guide you through the process. For example, under level of detail, you can change the car level of detail. You can set it to extreme, ultra high, medium, or low. This improves the quality of the drive-avatar traffic and other player cars. As I said, you can change this. I think I can go through all other available options. There is environment texture quality, environment geometry quality, car reflections quality, screen space reflection quality, ray traced reflections quality, which you can toggle off, toggle to low, medium, high. This replaces screen space reflections quality, which goes on the same. It works similarly with option to turn it completely off: low, medium, high, ultra, and extreme. Yes, it indeed replaces that. And there is the shadows, where you can change the shadows quality, turn them off, set them to low, high, ultra, extreme, etc. Night shadows, where you can also toggle them off, set to ultra or extreme. Lighting and materials, you can change the screen space GI quality, either off, medium, high, ultra. There is also the ray trace GI quality, which you can set to low, medium, high, and it replaces the screen space GI quality. There is the shader quality, which you can set to low, medium, high, ultra, or extreme. There is the audio quality, which you can set to very low, low, medium, high, and ultra. There is the under miscellaneous settings, there is the deformable terrain quality. So you can set it to off, medium, high, ultra, or extreme. There is the particle effects quality, which you can set to very low, low, medium, high, and ultra. The volumetric fog quality, which you can set to off, low, medium, high, ultra, or extreme. The lens effect, which you can turn off, turn to low, medium, high, or ultra. And finally, motion blur quality. You can turn it to low, medium, high, or ultra. And we went through every graphics and performance. If you have any troubles during this, to set it to the best it can be on your PC, you can start a benchmark mode. This can take 2 to 3 minutes, and it will automatically change the settings for you. Simply select this. One more thing before I start. I will save the changes. To save the changes, press space on the keyboard. There is another option on the controller. This will save the changes. If you make some changes and back out without saving, you have an option to save and continue. This will back out of the menu, but as you can see, this saved the changes. Right. Of course, there is one more thing. When highlighting options, you can enter them, let's say, by clicking items right here. This will open the tooltip, and it will show you all available options in the form of a list. And I think that's it. I can start the benchmark mode. This may take a while. This is how it looks. And I think I will pause the video for now and get back to you when it finishes. This is the result of the benchmark. There is a graph, as you can see, for the FPS and time, with lows, low 1% and 0.1%, and under visual settings I have suggested presets. As you can see, suggested preset for me is high, with 71 FPS achieved. This is quite useful for determining, of course, the best settings for you. You can restart the benchmark, open video options right here, or simply continue. This will restart the game. Simply select yes. As you can see, the game force closed, and I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.